How to verify a personal account at BitPay. To verify your BitPay account, click on your username and verify your account, or go directly to kyc.bitpay.net. Select Private Account. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number. A text message to your phone will follow with the code necessary for completing the next step. Next, enter your personal information, including your nationality, country of birth, and the country in which you pay taxes. Confirm the entered information. For the next step, have a phone with a camera handy. Both sides of an ID document, a passport or ID card, and an address confirmation document not older than 6 months. It can be a bill for electricity, water, telephone, or gas, an agreement, for example, with a bank or insurer, with a visible stamp and signature, an official letter, confirmation of a transfer from your account, you must be the sender, or a summary of your bank account. To confirm your identity, enter your information: national insurance number, your identification document number, the date of issue, the expiration date, and the country of issuance. Begin the process of verifying your identity. Select the type of document you wish to use. After you click on Get Your Secure Link, a QR code will be displayed, which you can scan with your phone. Alternatively, you can send the reference link via text or enter it manually. Take a picture of both sides of the document, making sure that the information is clearly visible. Next, take a selfie facing the camera straight on with your eyes clearly visible. To confirm your address, fill out the form in accordance with the information from the document with your address. Check whether your selected document contains the necessary information and upload the file or take a picture. Finally, you will be prompted to fill out an AML questionnaire in accordance with the Anti-Money Laundering and Terrorism Financing Act. Enter true information and click on Confirm. We will notify you of your successful verification through email. If you have problems with verification, please contact us via the contact form.